Side hustles, they did this to me. I used to be normal. Now I look like a rejected X-Men character. I tried everything. I tried affiliate marketing. I tried crypto, drop shipping, a faceless TikTok channel. I tried everything.
This is what happens when you chase 47 side hustles at once.
And this is what happens when you stop doing that.
What is this? A notebook? That's it? No funnels, no crypto, no drop shipping? Just a notebook? I think I'm calming down. Is this what normal people feel like? I'm not used to this.
Look, if you're tired of the chaos, just start simple. The system works if you follow the training and take action. And if you're ready to finally have a real way to generate income online, click the link in the description and get started today for only $35.